Welcome back to the Drive Analyst, the home of future cars, wild concepts, and the most exciting automotive creations from around the world. If you love high-performance machines and custom muscle cars that push the limits of style and power, make sure you hit that subscribe button because today we're checking out a jaw-dropping custom beast that looks ready to dominate the streets, the stunning 2027 Ford Mustang S1000. The first thing that grabs your attention is the incredible visual presence of this machine. Finished in a crisp white body color with aggressive red graphics stretching across the sides, this Mustang looks like a perfect blend of modern muscle and futuristic art. The custom honeycomb-inspired rear graphics and bold Cobra-style design create a unique identity that instantly separates it from an ordinary Mustang. Whether it's parked at a car meet or rolling down the highway, this car demands attention from every angle. Moving to the front, the 2027 Mustang S1000 carries an intimidating face with a wide blacked-out grille and the iconic Mustang badge proudly sitting in the center. The redesigned LED headlights feature sharp triple-stripe lighting signatures with a red glow that gives the car an almost predatory appearance. Combined with the low front splitter and sculpted bumper, the front end looks aggressive enough to challenge even the most expensive supercars. The profile of the S1000 is equally impressive. The long hood, muscular fenders, and classic fastback roofline preserve the legendary Mustang DNA, but the custom modifications elevate it to another level. One of the biggest highlights has to be those enormous custom alloy wheels finished in a striking red and silver design. They perfectly match the body graphics and create a bold visual statement. Wrapped in ultra-low-profile performance tires, these wheels suggest that this Mustang is built not only to look fast but to deliver serious grip on the road. At the rear, the custom touches continue with a massive black rear spoiler that adds a race-inspired look while potentially increasing downforce at higher speeds. The signature tri-bar LED taillights remain unmistakably Mustang, but their red illumination combined with the dark rear trim gives the back end a futuristic personality. Quad exhaust tips peeking out from the aggressive rear diffuser hint that there is a monster hiding under the hood. Now, while the 2027 Ford Mustang S1000 shown here appears to be a highly customized concept or digital rendering, enthusiasts can easily imagine what kind of performance package would justify the S1000 name. The badge itself suggests something extraordinary, possibly a 1,000 horsepower machine built to rival the world's most extreme street cars. Imagine a heavily modified supercharged 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine, upgraded with forged internals, a larger blower system, high-flow injectors, and a custom exhaust setup that delivers a thunderous soundtrack every time you touch the throttle. With a setup like that, the S1000 could potentially launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, putting it in the same territory as exotic hypercars costing several times more. A reinforced 10-speed automatic transmission or a heavy-duty manual gearbox could send all that power to the rear wheels, while an advanced suspension package would help keep the car stable during hard acceleration and cornering. Inside, you could expect a cabin that balances modern technology with racing inspiration. Premium leather and Alcantara seats featuring custom red stitching would complement the exterior design, while carbon fiber trim pieces would add a lightweight performance feel. A large digital instrument cluster and an updated infotainment display would keep the driver connected with navigation, performance data, and smartphone integration. For a car carrying the S1000 identity, performance gauges showing boost pressure, oil temperature, and horsepower output would be the perfect finishing touch. Another exciting aspect of a custom build like this is the exclusivity. In a world where many performance cars start to look similar, the Mustang S1000 stands out as something truly personal. It reflects the creativity and passion of custom builders who want to transform an already legendary platform into a rolling piece of automotive art. From the detailed side graphics to the unique wheel design and custom lighting elements, every modification contributes to a personality that feels bold, fearless, and completely unforgettable. The Mustang has always represented freedom, power, and American muscle heritage. Since its debut, it has evolved through generations while staying true to its roots. The imagined 2027 S1000 takes that heritage and combines it with futuristic styling and supercar-level ambitions. It's the kind of build that sparks conversations online, attracts crowds at auto shows, and inspires enthusiasts to dream about what the next generation of muscle cars could become. For content creators and automotive fans alike, Cars like this are exciting because they blur the line between reality and imagination. They allow designers and custom shops to explore what the future might look like without the limitations of mass production. And honestly, if Ford or a premium aftermarket tuner ever decided to create a limited production Mustang with this exact design and a true 1000 horsepower engine, there's no doubt it would become an instant collector's item. Just imagine hearing that supercharged V8 roar to life, watching those red accented wheels spin under hard acceleration, and seeing the glowing LED lights cut through the night. The 2027 Ford Mustang S1000 isn't just a car. It's a vision of what happens when aggressive styling, raw performance, and limitless creativity come together in one unforgettable package. That's all for today's feature on the Drive Analyst. What do you think about this incredible 2027 Ford Mustang S1000 concept? Would you keep the bold custom graphics, or would you build it with your own unique style? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest future cars, custom builds, and automotive innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.